In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Comerica Mobile 2025. First, we'll start by choosing the right checking account for you. Head to the Comerica checking accounts page, either through the mobile app or the website, and take a moment to compare the options. You'll see choices like Comerica Access Checking and Comerica Premier Checking. As you browse, focus on what matters most for your day-to-day banking. Look at monthly maintenance fees and the ways to waive them, such as maintaining a certain balance or setting up direct deposit. Check whether the account pays interest, if ATM fee refunds are available, and whether you'll get perks like preferred rates or additional benefits with a higher tier account. Also, pay attention to digital features like mobile check deposit, alerts, and budgeting tools, since those can make everyday banking easier. If you're new to banking or prefer to minimize fees, an entry-level option may be best. If you keep a higher balance and want more benefits, a premier option might fit better. Take your time here, and don't hesitate to read the fine print for each account so there are no surprises. Once you've decided which account fits your needs, it's time to apply. While you can research and prepare online, you'll complete the application by visiting a Comerica banking center. Start by searching for a location near you, using the branch locator on the website or in the mobile app. When you choose a branch, check its hours and note whether appointments are recommended, which can help you avoid wait times. Before you go, make sure you have the essentials typically required to open a checking account: a valid government-issued ID, your social security number or taxpayer identification number, and a funding source for your opening deposit, such as cash, a check, or a transfer from another account. If you're opening a joint account, each person should bring their own identification and information. At the banking center, let the representative know which checking account you selected online. They'll guide you through the application, confirm your details, explain any fees and features, and help you set up online and mobile access if you haven't already. This is also a great time to ask questions about overdraft options, paperless statements, and card controls in the app. That's it. Compare accounts online, then visit a Comerica banking center to complete your application and get set up. Thanks for watching, and good luck opening your new checking account.